Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on Bold Reports. In this video, I will show you how to install the Bold Reports server application in a Windows environment using PostgreSQL. The Bold Reports server is a powerful self-service reporting solution designed to simplify the creation, management, and distribution of interactive, visually appealing reports. It transforms raw data into actionable insights while ensuring secure, centralized access within your organization's network. The platform offers flexible data integration from various sources, including SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and REST APIs. Let's start by downloading the Report Server application. To download the Report Server application, log into the Bold Reports account page. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the Cloud Bold Reports Server free tier page. Here you can explore the features of Bold Reports Report Server without installing or setting up any apps on your system. This allows you to experience its capabilities instantly by creating and sharing reports. Next, open the Accounts page by clicking the View Account option. If you don't have an account, you can start your 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free button. Once logged in, you will be directed to the My Dashboard page. Select Downloads in the Downloads section. The files are in exe and zip format. I download the exe format. To proceed with the installation, you need to ensure you enable IIS on your machine. I have shared a link to documentation on how to enable it in this video's description. Next, let's install the report server. To run the setup file, double-click the downloaded file. The Bold Reports Enterprise Reporting Setup dialog box will open. Click License Terms and Conditions to review the terms. Check the checkbox to agree to the terms, then click Next to move on to the Install Settings screen. The Installation Location field indicates where the application will be installed and where related files will be copied. The server application can be hosted on a Microsoft IIS web server. The port number field displays the port on which the application will be hosted, and the site name field displays the name with which the application will be hosted in IIS. By default, additional settings are enabled. The Create Start menu group and Create Desktop Shortcut options generate shortcut icons upon installation. If you choose to disable these icons, you can launch the application later by searching for it in Windows. The firewall settings to allow access to external devices facilitates network communication between the hosting device and external devices. Click Next to continue to the Deploy Chromium Packages page. By default, the Download Chromium Packages option is enabled, supporting image and PDF export functionalities for reports and widgets. Click Next to move to the Deploy Data Hub page. The Bold Data Hub loads data from multiple sources into PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, and Apache Doris. Click Next to navigate to the Consent to Deploy Client Libraries. Bold Reports Enterprise Edition utilizes client libraries such as Oracle, PostgreSQL, and MySQL to connect with their respective SQL database variants. In this case, I select All, and click Install to begin the installation process. Since I selected Microsoft IIS as the web server, you can see the application added under Sites in the IIS Manager. Bold Reports Enterprise Reporting is the name of the application we have added in the site name field when installing the Bold Reports server. API is a sub-application that processes the API request. ETL service is the sub-application that extracts the data from the database and stores it in the data store for reporting. Reporting is a sub-application representing the Bold Reports server. UMS is a sub-application used to manage users of Bold applications such as Bold Reports and Bold BI. Once the client library's installation is complete, click Launch Application. To proceed with the startup, you need to activate your Bold Reports account. Click the Login to Activate Account button and proceed with the application startup. If you are working in a secure environment without access to an external server, you can activate your account using the Unlock Setup key. Click Upload your Unlock key file, and then click the Here link to get the license key from your account. On the account page, click Claim License Key and select Get Unlock Key File. To download the Unlock Key file, Then, upload the key setup file to proceed with the offline setup. Click Login to activate your account. If you have multiple licenses, it will ask you to select one. If you have only one license, the process will be skipped. Fill in the required field. And click Next to proceed to the database configuration mode. The first option is Shared Database Mode. In this mode, all tenants share a single database, with data logically separated using unique identifiers. This approach optimizes resource utilization, reduces infrastructure costs, and simplifies maintenance while maintaining data segregation. It is well suited for scalability and efficient management. Only the PostgreSQL database is supported in this mode. The second option is Separate Database Mode. In this mode, every tenant has its own dedicated database, ensuring that data is separate. This improves security, allows independent management, and enhances performance for each tenant. PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, and Oracle databases are supported in this mode. I am using the Separate Database mode, and click next to the Database Configuration page. You can configure a single database or separate databases for Bold ID and Bold Reports. The Bold ID database manages details for sites, users, and their access permissions, ensuring secure authentication and authorization. The Bold Reports database stores data related to reports, users, and resource access permissions for report management. Simple mode allows you to store the user identities, site details, data store, and users, along with the access permissions in a single database. Advanced mode allows you to choose between the local file system and Azure Blob storage for Bold ID and Bold Reports. We'll choose Simple mode for this demo. And select the server type as PostgreSQL. Next, enter the necessary fields. You can create a new database or select an existing one on the selected server. By default, the new database is selected. Enter the database name as Bold Reports Server Data. You can modify the database schema, Bold ID table prefix, and server tables prefix values if needed. Enabling SSL allows for a secure connection between the report server application and the database, ensuring encrypted data transfer. Proceed with the default settings and click Next to begin the installation. Once the process starts, the report tenant deployment runs in the background. After it's completed, you can manage sites or design dashboards. To access these features, click Go to Reports. On the Reports page, you'll find sample reports already added in the report server. Simply click on a report to open it in a new window. In this video, I have shown you how to install the Bold Reports server application in Windows using PostgreSQL. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.